Let's dive right into SafariGig. It's your ultimate tool for connecting and trading with your local community.
Seriously, why hire complete strangers when the perfect fix might literally live right next door? You can categorize daily needs instantly. We're talking math tutoring, fresh baked goods, or even quick home repairs. Turning your neighborhood into a bustling marketplace? It takes just 6 super simple steps. Let's break them down. Step 1, just tap your complex's unique link to start browsing. Yep, absolutely 0 app downloads required. Step 2, hit post, describe exactly what you need, and just set your budget. Super easy, right? Got a little writer's block? No worries. The built-in AI assistant crafts a perfectly worded post for you. Step 3, simply watch your feed as verified neighbors quickly start dropping offers to help you out. Steps 4 and 5, pick the best offer, then coordinate all the details safely in a private chat. Finally, step 6, the job's done. Now just rate your neighbor and easily track those extra earnings. And hey, remember, every single user has a verified badge. You're only ever dealing with actual neighbors. So what could you accomplish today if your entire neighborhood was ready to help? Go ahead, start posting.